Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at the bears cooking. Guys, bears have cooked. Bears have cooked. They're kaboomed, Well, we'll start off with Tesla, guys. Tesla is what we are looking at first in this video. We'll then take a look at NIO, Rivian, Lucid, and Ford. Later throughout the day, there will be videos coming out on the SPY and NASDAQ as well, guys. Those things are looking beautiful. Bears are done. Bears are done. We are going to the new moon. Wow. All right. So, and then definitely semiconductors, NVIDIAs, and all other those videos will be coming out later. So, let's start off with Tesla, guys. Look at this beautiful price action. So, yes, we are still holding the bullish structure. Let's turn on indicator, step-by-step sequence here, and then you can see we are still in the bullish structure there after from 210 when we turned green over here. And yes, so what is the price? The thing is that this is a really good price action, guys. We found support. We are continuing to find support at that 20 days moving average. Yes, we have had some occurrences of trying to be sold off, but bulls are still holding it really strong. This is still the trend line that Tesla is still following, so we can actually mark this as well for a reference. So let's go to the hourly interval. Let's talk about what can we make out of Tesla. Are we out of the woods fully? Do we see any danger or whatnot, right? So on the hourly interval, we are, let's turn on the structure again. We held the price into the cloud, went back up, and still continuing higher, and also have taken out the previous resistance level where Tesla was acting yesterday. And today as well, it sold off first time at that significant level. Now there are still, guys, 3 minutes for market to close, and though the last hour pretty much we have broken out of that resistance, that is a really good strong price action on the hourly interval. And for tomorrow, this becomes the level to watch for support. As long as we stay above now for tomorrow 226, it's just an upside play. Today was a both sides play actually. So what do I mean by both sides? I talked about if we start to lose this level like 223, weakness will start to come in, and you can see we were red, and we did sell off all the way down into the cloud. So yeah, and then this is where you have to use the time frames, and accordingly when the price structure changes, especially on the day side. So you have to start with the higher time frame, that is the daily, and overall structure was still bullish. So you have to put your ducks in row that, okay, what is the overall structure first? And if you are trading short, then that is just intraday because overall structure was still bullish though. But that was the short play as well. On 5 minutes, you can see with the help of my tool, it's so easy to identify. This is where, we were already in the short play. Rebound happened, no problem. We were still below the cloud, came back down here, still red, remained red, right? And there was here when we changed the structure here to green, this first rebounded all the way back to the cloud, and then eventually also went above the cloud. And yeah, and we are finally breaking those levels as well. Structure over here also remained bullish. So I mean, this is really helpful to trade with this tool because it just shows you everything, what things you have to look for, where the structure is changing, what type of trade to take. So anyways, things are looking bullish, and if you need access to my tools, links in the description below. But anyways, things are looking super bullish right now on not just on Tesla, guys, overall market. And well, while I'm talking about it, don't forget to check out my dividend investing channel, because today another video will be coming out, because I did finally buy some Google in my dividend portfolio, Google covered call EDF. I'll be talking about that in today's video. Guys, what are you doing? Check out the videos if you want to be following along, and the moves that I have been making. This is my public facing portfolio that I'm building for you all. Link to this channel is in the description of this video. All right, now yeah, from here on, guys, yeah, bullish 226 and above, no problem tomorrow. If we lose that level, yes, we have a problem again. So that's why we have to trade with the levels. And yeah, otherwise, as long as we continue to hold that 20 hours moving average as well with this level 226, tomorrow level to watch to the upside is 233, and things are looking good. Let's actually go back now to the daily interval. I want to also see the short volume data. Well, today's short volume data will come in the evening, but let's see for the last couple of days how things are looking like. And the area that I have always talked to you guys, just be cautious at that zone, and that is the zone, this area of 236, 234 to 236. High short volume before, again came a, the short volume high again here. We had a follow through, but Tesla is coming back up. So the next level to watch is definitely 236 around, and if we can get above that, that really opens up the doors. Like that's like really opening up to for Tesla to fly again. So that's that, because this is where also, let's actually go to the weekly interval. And so also if we go over there, this is where, that's where we would have that finally the 200 weeks moving average. So but anyway, so far we are still able to hold these pivots on the weekly interval, higher low pivots in other words, so that's a good sign. So anyways, yep, bears are cooked, guys. Bears are cooked. Tesla really good price action today. Yeah, not just Tesla, I mean every other stock today, market has just turned around. All right, NIO, structure being bullish, it's holding good above 200 days moving average, and this is something I have been saying since this very area, that this blue box above, we are bullish. I even talked about this when were at this candle, and I said that, guys, this is, as long as we stay above blue box, we are bullish, and we got more run up from there. Right now we are above 200 days moving average. So price action on this is still bullish, and the next level to watch is that red above zone, which is a supply zone, the strong supply zone. We'll have to see what it does there. NIO has a habit of, once it falls, it really falls then, guys. So tomorrow, if we can get above $5.63, it's an upside, again, more play from here. The structure will start to lose steam if we lose $5.30. All right, that's on NIO. Rivian, let's go to the daily interval first. We are seeing some good signs today, but it will take it a while again for fully become bullish. It's still choppy, but it got above that level of $13.63. Now the next level is definitely this 200 days moving average. Let's see if it can get above that. But yeah, as long as it can stay above $13.65, it's fine for the upside. Otherwise, no. Lucid did something today, a good price action, and seems like it's finding, again, this is, it's finding this sort of trend line, not a perfect trend line, but you get my point, right? It's trying to hold on to that. Getting above 20 days moving average is pretty much was the sign that it will continue higher, taking out thus the previous zones of resistance like $3.60. Let's go to the hourly interval. And yeah, that was it. That, once we got out of this zone of resistance and consolidation, a significant level, $3.60. Yeah, it went up to the first level, actually this area zone, right? And then that next move is already happening above that significant level. Yeah, it's a really good price action on Lucid today. And yeah, it's technically, yeah, can continue higher as long as we now stay above. This is the level to watch. If tomorrow we stay above $3.82 into the pullback, this is where you are watching the price action. If it finds support and if it can stay above it, sure, it's fine, at least for right now. Let's take a look at Ford. Ford, unfortunately, is the structure on this is still negative though, guys. It's just a little bit of a rebound today, but nothing more than that. The structure on this is still negative. I would need to see a lot more strength into this first, or some higher low pivots form before we can, talk about some upside. Otherwise, no. Right? Like similarly is the case with the Rivian. Rivian, even though it's showing some good strength, but the structure is still negative. It needs to get above some more, definitely this level like $14 around, before it will again change the structure to the upside. But this is a good rebound. Just getting above $13.67 was a good rebound on this thing. All right. And then other than that, yeah, NIO, I already showed you, right? We are, I didn't show you the structure though. Yeah, we are still full on bullish right from down there. On NIO, you are still watching that, guys, above the $7 level though. Like until we are not getting above that zone, like going on full on bullish, like for long term, is still in question though. Okay. Anyways, I'm really happy to see, how Tesla has done today. And yeah, you have the levels to watch tomorrow. And yeah, let's just, before wrapping up, want to take a look, another look again. Yeah, just watch this level, right? 226 almost. We stay above it. we are fine. If we lose that, you can still give it like until 223. But it's just that you will have to see more price action to hold itself, Yeah, you can still give it like 223 as well tomorrow. If we lose, let's say for some reason 226, but if we lose again, you will again, if it's falling, like don't just buy just the falling knife. You have to see the price action hold here. Like for example, my tool, when it would show after falling or wherever structure bullish, right? So this is what you are watching at the important levels. Like when structure would start turning, you would know, okay, things are turning around, right? So those are the things you have to watch and see with the price action holding there. Like wicks are forming, double bottoms or higher lows are forming, higher highs are forming, things like that. And my tool already makes it easier for you to understand where the structure is turning bearish or bullish. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Things are looking really great on Tesla, and so are the other stocks right now, and so is the market. I'll talk about the market after this video in another video. All right, with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.